What's going on, everybody? My name's Armani. So I'm gonna ask y'all something. Do y'all remember I was playing the Super Monkey Ball? It's a fun game, but guys, how long is it gonna get hot in the car? Get hot outside, but I told you it's supposed to be 90 degrees. It never get cold. Get snow outside. Get rain outside, but get a little bit hot outside. But I'm gonna tell y'all, y'all don't need coats and no jackets. But here, let me look at my phone. Let me tell you something. Well, you better make a YouTuber or a TikToks, and I don't got no Wi-Fi connection, but I have to everybody, don't forget to hit the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to comment video. Don't forget to share the video with your friend. Don't forget to hit the link to the subscription. See, look, I'm very good at TikToker and TikTok. So I'm a made-hard YouTuber. So I'm gonna let you know. Hey guys, you know how hard it's gonna be making a YouTuber, but oh, by the way, it's nice day, so I'm putting on the videos. Do y'all remember I was riding a skateboard? So nice day. I could ride my skateboard in the park, but so I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go get me McDonald's. You want Chick-fil-A? You know that. Everybody, which one you like? Do you like Chick-fil-A? Do you like McDonald's? Do you like Little Caesars? You could try a Little Caesars, everybody. You know that. Well, thank you for watching. Y'all make sure to comment and share. Thank you and goodbye.